12 shots.
Oh.
And after 6 of them, it's going to take a
long time to reload.
Well, I got the little speed loader, but still.
Okay, here we go. Alright, here we go!
Is there respawns?
3, 2, 1, go!
Can we use the shield?
No! Oh, totally not fair.
I know.
No, my text go home.
No, I think I hit someone from over there. Yeah, I got hit from over there. Hit! Hey, you know what? Respawn on the back. Yeah, I'll respawn on the back too. Back in! No, we can't go through. Oh. One guy right there. Did I hit you? Did I hit you? Oh, hit! Go to the case! Oh, man! Hit! Caption! Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! They're going right! Wow, really? Yo! Yo! Grab the case! Go! Right here! Hit! 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 You right?
Yeah. Just trying to speed load. Not really, though.
And I thought you would die with all this.
Yeah, baby. The last 6 shots. Let's make this count.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I could decoy.
Oh, ricochet. Take it, go, go, go! Wow, we're doing good.
I can't believe it. I was just like,
Holy fuck, Lewis, you're getting from behind me. Holy fuck. Huh? Yeah. Oh, we need to reload?
Dude, this is really fun.
Okay, let's do it.
I only have 2 minutes. You know what's funny though? You're running around from behind. Your camera has a red light.
Ah, you can see
the red light.
Wow, bro, you're killing me like crazy. You're like killing me like non-stop, bro. Shit. Yeah.
That was so close.
Is my camera on?